हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू हाई स्टडी वंस अगेन। आज की वीडियो में हम कवर अप करने वाले हैं अगस्त के वन लाइनर करंट अफेयर्स। जैसे कि मैंने कहा था, मैं हर मंथ के करंट अफेयर्स कवर अप कराने वाली हूँ इन द वन लाइनर फॉर्म। तो अगेन इस लेक्चर में हम अगस्त के कवर अप करेंगे। ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट इज, हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक जर्नी ऑफ अ नेशन 75 years of Indian economy, re-emerge, reinvest, re-engage. So the name of the author is Sanjay Baru. Recently, the Nilekani Center at A14 Bharat was launched by which institution? It is IMD Madras. Joint military exercise Al Najaf Fort is being recently हुई थी इंडिया के बीच में और किसके बीच में हुई थी? ओमान के बीच में. Okay, which is the first state government in the country which has recently announced the launch of online taxi hiring service कि आप online जो है taxi को you can hire, that is Kerala. Next, recently who has been appointed as India's ambassador to Bhutan? Sudhakar Karela. Recently, ex-Wingbacks 2022 is being held between India and which country? Between Vietnam. Recently, Jeffrey Armstrong has been awarded the Indian Council for Cultural Relations Distinguished Indologist for 2021. Indologist वो होते हैं जो इंडिया की स्टडी करते हैं. Okay, he is from which country? ये है कनाडा से. Recently, police force of which state received the President's Colors Award? Tamil Nadu. What is the official slogan of the 2024 Paris Olympics, which was unveiled recently? Games wide open. Recently, Indian Air Force ने announce किया to take part in exercise Pitch Black 2022 और ये कहाँ हुई थी? ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. Recently, which has become the first city in India to publish the Environmental Insight Explorer data from Google, that is Aurangabad. Recently, which state has launched Mission Bhumiputra to issue digitalized caste certificates to students? It is Assam. Recently, white onions of which region received the GI tag? Alibag, Maharashtra. Recently, किसको अपॉइंट किया गया है प्रिंसिपल डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ PIB, that is Press Information Bureau? सत्येंद्र प्रकाश. Recently, the National Tiger Conservation Authority (NTCA) has signed a MOU with which company for transcontinental relocation of cheetahs from Africa to India? Indian Oil Corporation. It is important. Recently, who has been appointed as the Central Vigilance Commissioner? Suresh N. Patil. Recently, the World Bank has appointed who amongst the following as the country director for India? Auguste Tano Kwame. The central government has approved the Saksham Anganwadi and Poshan 2.0 scheme for the implementation during 2021 to 22 to which year? 2025 and 26. Now, recently which government has launched the Chief Minister Equal Education Relief Assistance and Grant? चिराग की full form है ये scheme, that is in Haryana. Recently, PM Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone to several projects of Shrimad Rajchandra Mission in which state? In Gujarat. What will be the total capacity of the world's largest floating solar power plant that will be constructed in Madhya Pradesh? तो क्या होगी total capacity? 600 megawatt. Recently, Ganga Lake was declared as the Ramsar site. It is located in which state? It is located in Goa. तो आप comment section में ये बताओगे total कितनी Ramsar sites हैं इंडिया की. Okay. Recently, Udyam portal was seen in news. It is related to which ministry? Micro, small and medium enterprise. What is the name of the satellite which will be launched to unfold the tricolor in space by ISRO to mark India's celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav? It is Azadi ISAT. Recently, which institution has launched the State University Research Excellence, that is SURE scheme, Science and Engineering Research Board? Recently, women officers of Indian Navy completed their maiden all-women independent maritime reconnaissance and surveillance mission to the North Arabian Sea. It was completed on which aircraft? On Dornier 228. Recently, which country launched its Megan spacecraft to the moon? Danuri. That is South Korea. Recently, 106-year-old astronomical observatory at the largest Singh College has been added to UNESCO World Heritage Observatories list. और ये कहाँ पे located है? It is located in Bihar. Recently, which state has launched the Pukang Yakoti Tattu Yojana for easy adoption of cows and goshalas? It's Karnataka. First time इसे pronounce करना was a bit difficult. Next is, recently who has been given the additional responsibility of Director General of Indo-Tibetan Border Police is Dr. Sujoy Lal Thiose. Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya will be established in which state? It is going to be established in Gujarat. Recently, किसको appoint किया गया है as the chairman and managing director of All India Limited? It's Ranjit Rath. Recently, the Monetary Policy Committee (MPC) of the RBI has increased the repo rate to how much percent in its August 2022 meeting? It's 5.40%. Recently, which state has launched the eggs and milk scheme for Anganwadi children? Kerala. Recently, who has been appointed as the director of the Prime Minister's office? Shweta Singh. Which country will host the United Nations Security Council meeting on counter-terrorism? That means terrorism को counter up करने के लिए in October 2022, India. Recently, which state has launched the Family First Samjavat Nu Sarnamu? Family First, a place of persuasion है इसका मतलब, and this is a scheme for out of the court settlement of family disputes, and it has been launched by Gujarat. Recently, which state has announced the Panchamrut Yojana, which will help to achieve the goal of doubling farmers' income? And it is in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Recently, which ministry has launched the Bade Chalo campaign on the occasion of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav? Ministry of Culture ने launch किया है Bade Chalo campaign. Recently, who was elected as the 14th Vice President of India? कौन है? जगदीप धनखड़. एंड जो आपकी प्रेसिडेंट है वो आप मुझे बताएंगे, और वो कौन सी ट्राइब से बिलोंग करती है वो भी आप मुझे बताएंगे कमेंट बॉक्स में. रिसेंटली द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर हैज लॉन्च्ड इंडिया की उड़ान इनिशिएटिव इन एसोसिएशन विद विच कंपनी? किस कंपनी के एसोसिएशन में? गूगल के साथ. रिसेंटली अरुणोदय स्कीम वाज सीन इन न्यूज. ये स्कीम किस चीज से रिलेटेड है? इंपॉर्टेंट है, बताना ये भी कमेंट सेक्शन में. एंड इट इज इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय विच स्टेट? बाय असम. Recently, who has become the first woman Director General of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research? It is Nalathambi Kalaselvi. Recently, who was elected Deputy President of International Chess Federation? That is Vishwanathan Anand. Recently, which state union territory has launched the Parvats market linkage scheme to provide support for shipment of agriculture and horticulture perishables? ये है जम्मू और कश्मीर, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. Okay. Recently, Tibetan spiritual leader Dalai Lama was honored with the Parnagam Dastoon award by which state and union territory? By Ladakh. The 12th edition of the Defense Expo 2022 कहाँ पे हुई? In Gujarat. What is the name of the new ration card software which has been recently launched as a common facility to register names in ration cards? Ration Mitra. Recently, a Russian rocket Soyuz has successfully launched a satellite जिसको कहा जाता है Khayyam into orbit, and it is of which country? It is of Iran. Which state has launched Pawan, which is a unique community-based menstrual hygiene program? That is Chhattisgarh. Which country has won the gold medal in the open section of the 44th Chess Olympiad, which was recently held in Chennai, and that is Uzbekistan. Recently, it was announced that Shashi Tharoor will be conferred with Chevalier de la Légion d'Honneur Award, जो कि highest civilian award है फ्रांस का, और ये कौन सी कंट्री देती है? फिर फ्रांस देती है. Okay. What is the name of the marketplace which was recently launched as a part of the Afsar scheme of the Airport Authority of India at the Srinagar International Airport in Jammu and Kashmir? That is Ummeed. Recently, a bilateral exercise Ugra Shakti started between India and Malaysia. What is the name of the recently launched India's first saline water lantern which uses seawater to power LED lamps? Seawater का use होता है, that is रोशनी. Recently, which institution has backed the top position in the latest Nature Index 2022, and that is University of Hyderabad. Recently, Asia's largest compressed biogas plant has started commercial production in which district in Punjab? In Sangrur. Recently, India ने गिफ्ट किया Dornier 228 एयरक्राफ्ट कौन सी कंट्री को? श्रीलंका. Recently, the golden joint of Chenab railway bridge was inaugurated in the district of Jammu and Kashmir और उस district का नाम है रियासी. Recently, the Ministry of Home Affairs has approved creation of Village Defence Guard Scheme 2022 और ये कहाँ पे? In Jammu and Kashmir. The second edition of the North-East Olympics 2022 will be held in Meghalaya. मुख्यमंत्री अनुप्रति कोचिंग योजना रिसेंटली जो है वो न्यूज में की एंड इज बीइंग इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय कौन सी स्टेट में इम्प्लीमेंट की जाएगी? राजस्थान. इम्प्लीमेंट मतलब कि वहां पे उसको लेकर आया जाएगा. Recently, in which state Medicine from the Sky project was successfully launched? It's from Arunachal Pradesh. Recently, which state has approved the Defense and Aerospace Unit and Employment Promotion Policy of 2022? Uttar Pradesh. Which institution is associated with the development of first ever 3D printed artificial cornea from human donor corneal tissue? IIT Hyderabad. Recently, Mandya district has become the first fully functionally literate district in which country? In the country. It is located in which state? It's in Madhya Pradesh. Mandya district is in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Recently, which state has launched a mobile app, Lucky Bill app, to curb GST evasion? Kerala. Recently, which state has launched the Vidya Rath School on Wheels project? Assam. Recently, which state has become the first state in India to receive Har Ghar Jal certification? That is Goa. Namaste scheme recently launched by the Union government और ये किससे related है? कौन सी field से? To the sanitation workers. Recently, Antim Pangal became the first Indian woman wrestler to be crowned U20 World Champion in the World U20 Wrestling Championship 2022. और ये कहाँ पे हुई थी? बल्गेरिया में. Which is the first state in the country to launch production grade blockchain based seed distribution program? Jharkhand. The 65th Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference will be held in which country? It is going to be held in Canada. Recently, who became the first Indian footballer to play the UEFA Women's Champions League? Manisha Kalyan. Recently, which state has announced to set up Grameen Ajivika parks to develop gardens as livelihood centers? It is Chhattisgarh. Recently, HDFC Bank inaugurated its first all-women branch in which state? In Kerala. Recently, who has been appointed as the secretary to President Draupadi Murmu? That is Rajesh Verma. Recently, the central government has planned to collaborate with which government? कौन सी government के साथ सोचा है collaborate करने का? To develop a district good governance portal? It is Arunachal Pradesh. BB My Story is the autobiography of which leader? Benjamin Netanyahu. Recently, which state has launched the Nutrition at Doorstep program to promote consumption of nutritious food? It is in Odisha. Recently, India signed a MOU with which country on recognition of certificates of competency in unlimited voyages to help seafarers from both the countries? That is Iran. Okay, Iran के साथ sign किया है. Recently, who has been given the charge of chairman of National Dairy Development Board? Minesh Shah. India's first commercial space situational awareness observatory will be set up in which state? In Uttarakhand. Recently, who has been appointed as India's new High Commissioner to the United Kingdom? Vikram K. Dorai Swaminathan. Next is, recently which state has decided to build India's education township? Uttar Pradesh. The 2022 Liberty Medal will be awarded to whom by National Constitution Center USA? Vladimir Zelensky. Recently, which has become the first state in India to issue a glossary of LGBTQIA plus terms in the local language in the government gazette, that is Tamil Nadu. इसके full form बताना, lesbian, gay and transgender, bisexual, all this. Okay, you should know this. Next is, recently who has been appointed as the chairman of Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, is Samir V. Kamat. Recently, who has been appointed as the Executive Director for India at the International Monetary Fund, that is KV Subramaniam. अब इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड IMF का फाउंड अप हुआ था, वो आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द को ब्रांडेड रुपे क्रेडिट कार्ड जो लॉन्च किया है बाय द बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा फाइनेंशियल सॉल्यूशंस फॉर द इंडियन आर्मी पर्सनल इन पार्टनरशिप विद द नेशनल पेमेंट्स कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया, दैट इज द नेम इज योद्धा. Recently, former Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu has released a book titled A New India Selected Writings 2014-19. The book is related to which leader? Arun Jaitley. Next is, recently who has been awarded the UNESCO Peace Prize 2022? It's Angel Merkel. Recently, the central government has approved the Parivar Kalyan Card Scheme, a family ID plan of which state government? Uttar Pradesh. Recently, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman launched Chief Minister's Microfinance Initiative of which state government? Nagaland. Recently, who was conferred with the 31st Vyas Samman? Dr. Asghar Wajahat. Recently, Shaheed Bhagat Singh Armed Forces Preparatory School was inaugurated in which state in India? In Delhi. Who is the author of the book India's Economy from Nehru to Modi, A Brief History? Parapri Balakrishnan. Recently, who has been appointed as the interim president of Indian Olympic Association? Agile Sumriwala. Recently, India-USA exercise Vajra Prahar 2022 हिमाचल प्रदेश में हुई थी. इंडिया यूएसए की एक और एक्सरसाइज होती है जो अभी हुई थी रिसेंटली, उसका नेम कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओगे. आप सोचोगे आज जितने सारे आंसर्स कमेंट सेक्शन में बताने हैं. इट्स यूजफुल फॉर यू. जितना याद रहेगा उतना ही आप लोगों के लिए अच्छा है. रिविजन भी ऐसे विद इन द क्लास, इन बिटवीन द क्लास होना इज इम्पोर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट, रिसेंटली हु फ्रॉम इंडिया हैज बीन इलेक्टेड एज कॉमनवेल्थ पार्लियामेंट्री एसोसिएशन ट्रेजरर? अनुराग शर्मा. Who is the author of the recently released book Free Fall, My Experiments with Living? Marika Sarabhai. Recently, which state has launched the sports scholarship scheme Mukhyamantri Udiyaman Khiladi Unayan Yojana? That is Uttarakhand. Recently, who won the BWF World Championship Men's Singles 2022 title? Victor Excelsen. So with this we complete off with this lecture also. ठीक है, ये PDF जो है आप इस प्रेजेंटेशन की जो PDF है ये आपको मिल जाएगी हाई स्टडी के टेलीग्राम चैनल पे. लिंक जो है वो आपकी स्लाइड पर डिस्प्ले होगा. रेस्ट यू कैन गो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, वहाँ पे भी डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेंशन होगा टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक. ओके, आप वहाँ से जाके PDF को डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. रेस्ट कोई भी क्वेरी हो या एडवाइस हो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में नीचे यू कैन कमेंट ओवर देयर. And if you enjoyed and if you found this video effective, तो आप like कर सकते हैं. Rest, even for more such videos, you can subscribe to the channel also. Thank you.